Above we learned basic character origins related to animals. Some were the whole animal. Some were animal organs or fur. Next, we will learn basic character origins related to plants. First, let's learn 草, grass, which is our grass radical today. The form of 草 originally resembled a drawing of two small plants. Its original meaning is the general term for herbaceous plants, meaning plants other than trees, crops, and vegetables, with relatively soft stems. 草 was initially written like this, 草. Later it was written as the 草 we know today. When 草 is a radical, it's usually written on top of the character, like this, 草. We call it the grass radical. Characters made with 草 are not necessarily all grasses. Plants other than trees can generally be represented using 草. Characters it forms generally relate to plants. Plant species are vastly different, so there are many characters made with 草. It's a very large radical in Chinese characters. First, let's learn how the character 草 used today was created. The 草 we are very familiar with today has the grass radical on top and 早 below. The grass radical indicates relation to plants. 早 originally did not mean morning as we know it, but meant the fruit of the oak tree and acorn. Its form was a drawing of such a fruit. Later, this 早 was borrowed to mean morning, early. Then later, the grass radical was added on top of this form, indicating relation to plants, written as this 草 character. It replaced the original 早 to mean the fruit of the oak tree. But 草 meaning oak fruit is basically unused. It is generally borrowed to mean the plant grass. So this 草, meaning grass plants, is actually also a loaned meaning. Second, let's learn the common character 花, flower. In ancient times, to represent a flower, the traditional character 花 was initially used. This form originally resembled a plant's flower hanging down. Later, the form gradually changed. A grass radical was added on top, becoming the traditional 花. 花 originally meant the flower of a plant. It extended to mean splendid, magnificent. Because plant flowers are very beautiful, it could be used to mean beautiful, splendid. In ancient times, these two meanings had different pronunciation. One was read as 花. One was read as 花. Later, the characters used for these two meanings were separated. 花 was used specifically for magnificent and splendid. A new character was created for flower. Grass radical on top, 花 below, indicating sound. It was used specifically for flower. Simplified characters simplified 花 based on cursive script. And it is still used today. In some words containing 花, the meaning of flower is still retained. E.g., a common phrase 华而不实, 华而不实 means to bloom but not bear fruit, metaphorically meaning flashy without substance. Here, 花 means to bloom. Three grass images can form the character 会, 会. 会's form depicts three small plants. It originally meant the general term for all plants. Today there is a word 花卉, meaning flowers and plants. Four grasses together form the character 母, 芒. This character originally meant dense, thick grass. Three common characters were created from this form. First is mǎng, mǎng. It depicts a dog, 犬, chasing in the grass. Inside is 犬, meaning a dog. Later it was used to replace 母, meaning thick grass. Second is 葬, 葬. Zàng depicts a dead person buried in the grass, 牧草. It means to bury, inter a dead person. Third is 暮, 暮. It depicts the sun, 日, setting into the grass. It means sunset, dusk. Later, a 日, sun was added to this character, written as 暮, becoming the 暮 in 朝朝暮暮, morning and night. Finally, let's look at 苞, representing a part of a flower. 苞, 苞. 苞as form, has the grass radical, on top, and 苞, 苞, to wrap below. 苞originally meant flower bud. It's the small, leaf-like piece below a flower or inflorescence, because it holds the flower up, as if containing it. 苞is used to represent it. It wraps the flower. After the flower blooms, the bud falls off. There is a phrase 含苞待放, meaning the bud contains the flower, not yet open.